This is the 7 Stars Resort in Providenciales in the Turks and Caicos. I'm going to give you a little tour and a review. So let's take a look inside. When you arrive at 7 Stars, you are greeted with a nice cold towel and rum punch or fruit punch if you're a non-drinker, and you can take a seat and they'll get everything checked in smoothly for you. Seven is the resort's fine dining restaurant, which is also where your buffet breakfast is served, which is included in your stay. And this is a fitness center and spa. There are bikes if you want to take a bike out for the day to explore, and then behind that is going to be the spa and the fitness center. If you like chess, tucked away in this hidden garden is a giant chess set. They do have a paddling pool for kids. It's a very family-friendly resort. This is the family pool. It's 5 feet in the deep end, and behind it is the deck restaurant, and in front is the beach. This is 9:15 in the morning, which is why it's quite quiet right now, but it's never that busy, which is really nice. And the cabanas at the family pool are no extra charge, and they're first come, first served. You don't need to make a reservation for them. Next door you can see the Ritz-Carlton Hotel that's gone up recently. It is massive compared to here. And then this is the adults only pool. The cabanas here are private and they are reservation only, so you do need a reservation if you'd like an adult cabana. And then these chairs all face the beach, which is a really nice view. You can also get bar and food service here at the pool. And then this is the adults only pool. If you wanted an outdoor spa treatment, the massage tables are just over there in that pagoda. And then this will take you directly down to the beach. The deck restaurant at 7 Stars is open for lunch and dinner. Definitely recommend making a reservation and booking one of the oceanfront tables so that you have a beautiful view, and ask for one in the shade because it does get pretty sunny and really hot here. So this is the Penthouse Ocean View Junior Suite. Come on in. So you're gonna start, you have a full closet here with a luggage table. And then you have a second one right away in here. So his and hers. You have a full length mirror for getting ready because it sucks as a woman not to be able to see your full outfit. The full kitchen with completely everything, with all the utilities and everything you need, and even wine glasses, champagne glasses, port glasses, long, short, brandy, coffee, espresso machine. They came with welcome cookies. It has these canteens that you can take with you with everywhere. You can take them home with you, which is really cute, and the water is actually drinking water, which actually saves a lot of money. So come take a peek at the bathroom. This is really cool. There's a his and hers sink. A lot of the bathrooms here in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos don't have the dual sinks. Really, really nice touch. A nice soaking bath with a separate shower head. Giant shower for two. Scales, we're gonna pretend they aren't there because that's not part of vacation. And then what I love about this suite is the two balconies. So you actually get 180-degree view. So let me take you out on the first one that has the full lounges. So this you get the city view over here, and then on this side you still get a beach view on this side. So really, really cool private afternoon spot. And then the bed has a mosquito net, which I really appreciate, so I've been getting a bit alive. And they did say if the mattress is too firm, pillows are too firm, they will swap them out, which is amazing service. You have the full credenza with your weekly highlights, your room service menu, which is available till 9:30. And then this is the reason you book this room. It's the ocean view. So again, you have the two lounges, you have the city view, you have the beach view, you have your table, and then that's the family pool down below, which we're so high you can't even hear. It's so peaceful out here. The hobby cats, the kayaks, the trampoline, all part of the resort. They're complimentary. And this is where you'll watch your sunrise. If you're an early bird like I am and up early, have your iced coffee in the morning, do your sunset drinks. The sunset's on the other side, but you still get the colors here, which are absolutely beautiful. That's it for my tour. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.